ElevenLabs Creator Plan Review. Is it worth the price in 2026? So the Creator Plan from ElevenLabs is their mid-tier subscription aimed at creators making premium content for global audiences. So according to their pricing page, it is usually $22 per month. But since it is the most popular content or the premium plan, then they offer $11 per month for the first start, which is a great 50% off for the first month. So what it offers here is it offers professional voice cloning, usage-based billing for additional credits, and they offer higher quality audios compared to the free and the starter versions. So for the credits usable for either 100 minutes of high quality text to speech and over 250 minutes of AI agents. So if you want to view more with the premium plan, you can see all the additional features you can get with the premium plan or the creator plan here. So they offer good audio quality as well. So, it has realistic voice generations compared to the free and starter options because you have more unlocked features if you have the creator plan. It also offers commercial license included so you can use generated audio and monetize content without some concerns on your licensing. There are also some higher audio quality which has includes 192 kbs of audio and it comes with a voice cloning and API access. So voice cloning is not available on the free version, so I recommend getting the creator plan or at least the starter plan. And then, lastly, is it has a higher audio quality. So compared to other plans, this one has higher quality. Then they have the cons. So there are some cons as well, even though it is a paid version. It offers usage limits and credit complexity. So although the plan says 100,000 credits, users report that actual minutes vary by the voice quality and can consume credits faster than expected. It also has requiring a learning curve plus editing overhead. So if you're not that good at basics of editing and using some creator tools, then you won't be able to directly use it easily. So although it is best for students and YouTube creators and multitaskers, you can recluse and regularly produce videos, tutorials, and need voiceovers, but it's less ideal if you produce very few videos, voice tracks per month, so it's not worth it if you don't have any workload. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more tutorial videos.